Machines are constantly being used to move and locate heavy equipment and materials in refineries and petrochemical plants, such as shown here. The overhead crane lifting a heavy load in a busy shop area. A mobile crane lifting a load in the yard. The mobile crane equipped with the telescope boom performs. A crawler crane moving a load. These machines are controlled by an operator who receives instructions, usually by hand signals, from a signalman. In many instances, when the operator's view of the load is blocked, he must depend entirely on hand signals. Conditions of this kind is why it's important that we have standard hand signals. This also stresses the importance of giving hand signals correctly. You should learn the 9 ASI standard signals for overhead cranes published by ASME, which are acceptable throughout the industry. They are hoist, lower, bridge travel, trolley travel, stop, emergency stop, multiple trolleys, move slowly, magnet is disconnected. Hoist. With forearm vertical, forefinger pointing up, move hand in small horizontal circle. Lower. With arm extended downward, forefinger pointing down, move hand in small horizontal circle. Bridge travel. Arm extended forward, hand open and slightly raised, make pushing motion in direction of travel. Trolley travel. Palm up, fingers closed, thumb pointing in direction of motion, jerk hand horizontally. Stop. Arm extended, palm down, hold position rigidly. Emergency stop. Arm extended, palm down, move hand rapidly right and left. Multiple trolleys. Hold up one finger for block mark 1 and 2 fingers for block mark 2. Regular signals follow. Move slowly. Use one hand to give any motion signal and place other hand motionless in front of hand giving the motion signal. Hoist slowly is shown as an example. Magnet is disconnected. Crane operator spreads both hands apart, palms up. You have observed the 9 signals for overhead cranes. Use your workbook script and with your assigned partner, practice giving these signals. You have 20 minutes to practice. Upon completion of the practice session, open your workbook to section 1 and follow instructions. You will have 15 minutes. Now let's observe the 18 ASI standards for mobile and crawler cranes published by ASME. They are hoist, lower, use main hoist, use whip line, raise boom, lower boom, move slowly, raise the boom and lower the load, lower the boom and raise the load, swing, stop, emergency stop, travel, dog everything, travel both tracks, travel one track, extend boom, retract boom. Hoist. With forearm vertical, forefinger pointing up, move hand in small horizontal circle. Lower. With arm extended downward, forefinger pointing down, move hand in small horizontal circles. Use main hoist. Tap fist on head, then use regular signals. Use whip line, auxiliary hoist. Tap elbow with one hand, then use regular signals. Raise boom. Arm extended, fingers closed, thumb pointing upward. Lower boom. Arm extended, fingers closed, thumb pointing downward. Move slowly. Use one hand to give any motion signal and place other hand motionless in front of the hand giving the motion signal. Hoist slowly is shown as an example. Raise the boom and lower the load. With arm extended, thumb pointing up, flex fingers in and out as long as load movement is desired. Lower the boom and raise the load. With arm extended, thumb pointing down, flex fingers in and out as long as load movement is desired. Swing. Arm extended, point with finger in direction of swing of boom. Stop. Arm extended, palm down, hold position rigidly. Emergency stop. Arm extended, palm down, move hand rapidly right and left. Travel. Arm extended forward, hand open and slightly raised, make pushing motion in direction of travel. Dog everything. Clasp hands in front of body. Travel both tracks. Use both fists in front of body, making a circular motion about each other, indicating direction of travel, forward or backward, for crawler cranes only. Travel one track. Lock the track on side indicated by raised fist. Travel opposite track in direction indicated by circular motion of other fist, rotated vertically in front of body, for crawler cranes only. Extend boom, telescoping booms. Both fists in front of body with thumbs pointing outward. Retract boom, telescoping booms. Both fists in front of body with thumbs pointing toward each other. Extend boom, telescoping boom, one hand signal. One fist in front of chest with thumb tapping chest. Retract boom, telescoping boom, one hand signal. One fist in front of chest, thumb pointing outward, and heel of fist tapping chest. You have observed the